Hello, hello, good morning, afternoon, evening, night. We're here with some Market Delight. Looking very nice today. We already pulled in a BTQ win at 15, was it 16? 16.15. Pulled out of this one, made a quick, was it like 400? 450? Something like that. So that was really nice. Then on the flip side, sound was pretty leveled out as we came in, but now this bad boy is going high enough that it's sending us to the moon. Tell you, making $1,000 that quick, I am a very happy man today, and I've got an appointment coming up pretty soon. So I was like, damn man, I hope I don't lose out going to this freaking doctor's appointment, but this is nice. So far, if I get out of this without getting my legs swept out from me, I think we'll be doing really good for today. I could probably take my hands off. So, we had some interesting stuff last night. We were watching the market almost like through the whole night, and we picked up BTQ, and we picked up a lot of these in the afternoon. These are all doing okay. Biggest wins from those picks so far: BBAI, BTQ, Sound. Those are all doing extremely well right now. So that's really good. I'm very excited about that. We bought MP overnight. I was reading about some news. You've got MP and TMC, which now have a stake by Trump in them. So I'm seeing yesterday as a bull market shakeout. They really got some people out of the tops here, but it likely is just going to keep continuing. It seems counterintuitive, and I think everybody should be ready to get the hell out of here. But you know, I think this is going to be the way it is. Now I'm just going to pull out of this. There's a chance this keeps going up. I mean, look at the MACD. Let's check our 5-minute and our 30s here. Because you know, like, when you feel greedy, you need to sell. You need to sell. You could be wrong about how greedy you could have been, but it doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. You know? And then the 15. I don't like the 5 because too many people use the 5. Everybody's trading at the 5. Nobody's looking past that. And then they go to the hour. That's not my deal. I like the 30-minute, the 15-minute. I'm probably just gonna get out $700. I could have been down enormous amounts of money today on this. So I'm clipping. Flip us out, Captain. 1988, mark it down on your calendar. The year of my birth. Actually, not true. We're off by a few years. Alright, Sound. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. Oh, that's right. We had these in all of our accounts, as well as BTQ, which was a huge surprise for me. Because I was like, oh my god, it's not just $400. It's more than that. Look at that. Look at that. She's dropping. She's dropping like a freaking hot sack of tamales over here. Oh, wow, that feels good. Alright. We're like 30 minutes into my trading day. It's 9:59 in the morning. I'll take it. That's really good. Now, I would love to spend a ton of time today looking into what the hell are the next things that are going to pop. You know, the ASTS. It's a new add to the watch list. But not the most stable. Not the most stable. So I mean, I was gonna get in, but I'm like, these companies without revenue, a little scary. I forget. I'm pretty sure ASTS. I mix some of these things up. Do not take what I say for granted. First of all, do not take what I say for anything less than just an explanation. of my rationale. What are the insights clonking around in my head? This is not financial advice. So yeah, we're just going to be taking a look. I think AREC was up a little bit today too. Not much. That's kind of simmering out. But, I mean, I love AREC. I just hope that company gets its stuff together. Because, I mean, some of these companies, you know, QUBT, AREC, RCAT, they are getting so much money. So it is possible that even though the things are not up to snuff now, if they do the right thing, these companies, they got billions of dollars now. Or at least a lot of money compared to what they used to. So they can do a lot. They might be able to catch up in some way. So I like the idea of still hanging around, keeping an eye on them. That's all cool and dandy. Now, sound, good chance it keeps going up. Sound is a good stock, but I doubt it. I doubt it. Between these three, it wants to find itself right here. So I can almost bet that this will be in the 18 to 17 range at some point today. That is my intuition on that one. ACHR, unfortunately, we might even have to clip. We might even have to take a loss today from this. We'll see. We'll see, because there is a strong potential to turn around. And we're almost landed in the middle here. We're not too much above that. We might end up buying more. We got plenty of buying power here. Oh my god, I didn't even realize. We are $141 away. $241 away from unlimited day trades. Oh my god, I want to just transfer money into my account, but I gotta earn it. We gotta earn it. I could have transferred in all the rest of the money a year ago, but we're earning it in the brokerage, man. We're earning it. We're earning it. Serve. Stop loss on this bad boy. What do you think? What do you think? I feel like these will definitely turn around. That's why it's good to day trade with stocks that have a good foundation, because, you know, if you have to hold them, you can hold them. That's okay. But if you need the capital, sell it, because if you're doing good, you can make that money back so much faster. Especially once we get unlimited day trades here. Like, we can do, you know, we don't need stocks to go up 100%. If you're holding, you might need stocks to go up, you know, over the course of a year or two to make profit. Like, for example, you know, if you're long holding, this period right here, you don't know it. You don't know it. Your stock, you know, it basically went up to here. And then it, you know, like that's where it's at. But people who day trade, I can make this money in here, you know? And then when it goes down here and then it goes back up again, every time you see these peaks and lows, you know, as a long holder, you're just on the steady plane here. You're going straight. But when you're getting on the tops and the bottoms, that's how all my accounts are over 60% year to date. Is because I just make these $20, $40, $50 trades. And, you know, it adds up to a lot more. Now, you might have had to not pay anywhere near as much attention and not make as many trades to get pretty similar on the percentage returns. But that is not the same amount of money. So I'm not really seeing too much right now. And things are pulling back a little bit. We're not as close. It's dropping rapidly. As you can see, the account is not up by much. Or I should say, my positions are not up by much. But we did get rid of our biggest hitters. Now let's check back in real quick. My intuition. Alright, pretty good. I think we got out 1988, right? I remember making my joke. 87, you fooled us. Well, that's what we're looking at for today. I'm gonna definitely be keeping an eye on the rest of the things we got here. This is probably a day I'm gonna check around the neutral 1 to -1% earners and see what I could buy more of, get out of. We'll see what really dropped as well. See maybe if some of that's good to pick up. BBAI, we might want to get out. Might want to get out of BBAI. Yeah, we got to look through the rest of these. I'm a believer though. BBAI wants to take off here. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see, volume. A lot of sales though. Wow, 5 million. Dropping rapidly. Sell it? Feel like I didn't have a choice there. Just watching us go negative. That's gonna go back up, man. I'm gonna have to buy that again. I think very low today. Only one resistance down here, really. And this one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to spend some time on these. I don't want to bore you guys, but yeah, we'll be taking a deeper dive, looking at what we might want to clip. Everything's kind of dipping a little bit. Or that's not the right account, but yeah, you get the idea here. So I hope you've all been doing well in the market. Thank you for joining me on my journey. May your troubles be less, your blessings be more. Nothing but happiness comes straight through your door, my friends. Take care.